Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data. Backup contacts to iCloud or export a VCF now, because merging can't be undone easily. Once done, make sure contact syncing is enabled for each account you want to keep, iCloud, Gmail, or Exchange, so duplicates appear together. Open the Contacts app and tap Groups to confirm visibility. If an account is hidden, you'll miss duplicates. Now, proceed to locate duplicate entries and prepare to merge them. You'll now find duplicates and merge thoughtfully. Open a contact, tap Edit, then link contacts to attach the duplicate. This preserves all fields without losing data. For repeated duplicates across accounts, review settings contacts accounts to verify which accounts store duplicates, because syncing conflicts often cause repetition. Once linked, double-check phone numbers, emails, and notes to ensure the primary card is complete. If information lives only, finish by syncing and verifying. Force a sync, toggle contacts off and on under your Apple ID in Settings, then wait a few minutes and refresh the Contacts app. If duplicates persist, sign out and back into the problematic account or use a reputable duplicate cleanup app to batch merge. Make sure you read prompts so you don't delete unique info. If something goes wrong, restore your contacts from the backup you made at the start, and repeat merging more selectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.